dear students, once again welcome back for chemistry class. Today I would like to explain you hard water and soft water from chapter 8, that is from water. For this you can refer to page number 140 to 142 in your textbook. Now what is hard water? The sample of water that does not produce good lather with soap solution is known as hard water. The hardness of water is due to dissolved bicarbonates, chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium. And this water is not suitable for laundry and laboratory purposes. Now next year, soft water. The sample of water that produces good lather with soap solution is known as soft water. Washing with soap is easy in soft water. Now next year, types of water hardness. There are two types of water hardness. Temporary hardness of water and permanent hardness of water. Temporary hardness of water. The sample of water that contains dissolved bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium is known as temporary hardness of water. Now next year, permanent hardness of water. The sample of water that contains dissolved chlorides and sulfates of calcium and magnesium is known as permanent hardness of water. Now next year, different methods of softening of hard water. Ion exchanging resin, boiling, lime softening and reverse osmosis. Your ion exchanging resin is the process in order to reduce the hardness of water by replacing calcium and magnesium ion with potassium and sodium ions. Now boiling is the process which is used to remove the temporary hardness of water. On boiling, bicarbonate of calcium and magnesium decomposes to give an insoluble calcium carbonate and magnesium carbonate, which can be removed from the water by filtration. Then lime softening is the process in which lime is added in order to reduce the hardness of water. Lime, you can add calcium oxide or calcium hydroxide. Now here, reverse osmosis. It is a water purification technology that uses semi-permeable membrane which removes calcium ion, magnesium ion, molecules and larger particles from drinking water. Now next year, advantages of hard water. Hard water is good for our bones and teeth, because hard water contains a larger amount of calcium and ions, which makes our bones and teeth stronger. Now next, number 2, it does not lead to the lead poisoning if the water pipes which are made up of lead used for transferring the water into the homes. Now next year, it tasted better than salt water. Now it is safer for drinking than salt water. Next year, disadvantages of hard water. Number 1, it is not suitable for laundry, washing and dyeing, because hard water does not form good lather with soap solution. A lot of soap is wastage. Number 2, hard water is harmful for steam boilers because crust or scales get deposited on the inner wall of boilers. Sometimes it may burst and leads to an accident. Now next year, advantages of soft water. Number 1, it is safe a lot of soap because soft water forms good lather with soap solution. Number 2, it is compatible with dyeing. That is why soft water is used in dyeing industry. Then number 3, it does not form scales in vessels. Now last one here, disadvantages of soft water. Number one, it can easily lead to lead poisoning if the lead pipes are used for transferring the water into the homes. Last one here, it does not strengthening our bones and teeth because soap water does not contain calcium and iron. Dear children, here we have come to the end of today's online class. Thank you very much.